Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good morning everyone. Mayong buntag sa tanan. It's 9:30 in the morning. Lagpas na 9 o'clock. At this moment, mag-breakfast ko. Actually, I got up at around 8:30 in the morning. Late na ko nibangon, late na ko nag-wake up. Medyo late ko no natulog po dyan gabi. Imagine, I think 1 o'clock na ako nag-sleep kay daghan kong mga callers sa mga friends. Ang uban sa abroad. That's why dugay ko nakatulog din, dugay po ko nakamata. So munang late ko mag-breakfast. Actually, today is still holiday. Mag-breakfast ko, this is my breakfast. Cassava cake. This is cassava cake. Then the other one is biko. Then bread with star margarine, banana, and coffee. This is only my breakfast for today. Actually, late na ako nag-breakfast. Late na ni siya. This one. Coffee, bread, cassava cake, biko, banana, with star margarine. Ang paborito ng star margarine, di na ako kailangan magkuhan kaon pag star margarine para mabright kaya pambata maguni ngun sila pag bata ka nagkakaon kag star margarine makabright daw. God bless everyone.